As you find the saying, not everything that glitters is gold. So on face value, things that shine, that haram may shine, it may allure people, it may look good, that people may begin to be enticed and go towards it. But the believer sees that this is trying to take away my iman. The believer is able to decipher that. That's why Allah mentioned, قُلْ لَا يَسْتَوِي الْخَبِيثُ وَالطَّيِّبُ وَلَوْ أَعْجَبَكَ كَثْرَةُ الْخَبِيثِ. Even though it may startle you, marvel you, that most people will go towards that. وَإِن تُطِعْ أَكْثَرَ مَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ يُضِلُّكَ عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. If you obey most of the people on the earth, they're going to take you towards Jahannam. And as you can see, even the comments of these people, that their arrogance, if you see the comments of Elon Musk, what he wrote recently, that if I'm going to Jahannam, then no problem. Because most of the people are going to Jahannam and I'm going to meet them there. And you'll be surprised that even non-Muslims, what they sing about, what they say about. If everyone's going to hell, then I may as well go to hell as well. We'll just have a great big party in hell. That's their perception. That shows that they've gone far beyond any concept of recognizing what belief is. That for them, life has just become trivial. Life has become a joke for them. That even in Jahannam, we'll be enjoying ourselves inside this station. So this concept of trying to recognize that which is pure and that which is impure. The Prophet ﷺ was given that task. That he's made, وَيُحَرِّمُ عَلَيْهِمُ الْخَبَائِثِ. That he's come, if you look at the role and the task of the Prophet ﷺ, there's certain tasks he's been given to do. He makes good things halal for them. وَيُحَرِّمُ عَلَيْهِمُ الْخَبَائِثِ. He makes impure things to be haram upon them. That's the role of the Prophet ﷺ. Just to teach us every other thing about prayer and fasting and all these other rituals that we do, there's a deeper meaning to his role. That's what Allah mentions inside the Qur'an, 4 places inside the Qur'an, where you zakihim, He purifies them. What does purification mean? Just like the Imam, he just read Surah Al-Shams, this short surah, you find some 11, 12 qasams, 11 or 12 oaths that Allah mentions, وَالشَّمْسِ وَالْقَمَرِ وَالنَّهَارِ وَاللَّيْلِ. All this carries on mentioning all this oath after oath after oath, qasam ba'da qasam ba'da qasam, till 11 or 12 oaths. Till Allah then mentions, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا. Successful is the one who purifies it. Purifies what? Their soul. Shay'un ajib. There's no other oath inside the Qur'an that repeats time and time again. Allah swears by everything that He's created, to remind us that the most successful individual is the one who purifies his soul. You're a human being, not by that people boast about their triceps and their biceps and the size of their muscles. That's good to have that. But the real strength of a believer is the strength of their soul. The strength of their ability to override challenges, to not fall into temptations. When their temptations are presented in front of them, they're able to override themselves. That's rujula, that's manhood. That you see that everybody is doing temptations, everyone is doing munkarat, everyone doing haram. A Muslim isn't a shallow person, a weak-minded individual, that everything that comes in front of them, that they begin to break down. They begin to enter into what everybody else is doing. Muslim is a strong identity, a powerful individual. That is very difficult to break down a Muslim who's strong in their identity, in their belief, in their conviction, in their relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The more weaker your belief, your conviction is, the more weaker your life becomes. The more easier it becomes that anybody who passes by you, whether it be whatever substances that occur on the street or whatever temptation may be, person easily falls into them. Because we're weak inside our faith and our conviction towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.